My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video for Maiden Plumbing and Heating. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see, shoot me a message and we can chat. I'll get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to be talking about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website. And when I say content, I mean anything that's on here from pictures, words, if you have any videos or not, all that stuff. And Google loves content. The more the merrier. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page alone. And everything matters. Even how you save pictures really matters as well. So moving on to the next thing I want to talk about will be citations. I just went ahead and did a quick little search for New York City plumbing and heating companies just to show you what it looks like when they search something. So the first thing you'll see is a section called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a paid advertisement by Google in which a business must go through a verification process to be able to advertise in this top spot. And it's a really good place to be. It's the first thing customers see, and it gives really strong leads. After that, we move down to the traditional Google ads, which will be your pay-per-click ads. And these are a hit or miss. If they're placed properly, they'll give you some good leads. If placed improperly, it could turn into a money pit. Moving down from there, we go down to this Google Map Pack section, and here I'll explain to you what a citation basically is. So it's basically anywhere on the web where you can put your business information such as the name, phone number, and address, and that counts as one citation. And over here, it's a great place for any business to be because this works on phones, on computers, and people actually click this without even moving anywhere else. So I recommend any business to try to get into these top 3 spots. After that, we go down to the organic section. Over here, you'll find the websites which have actually outranked and beat out their competitors and made it to the first page of this Google search result. And first page is where you want to be at, and we specialize in moving people up. And the last thing I want to talk about will be backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link that leads to your website. So to help me explain that better, I use this tool right here. This is called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. They get their data directly from Google, and I can see the performance of any website basically. So this is your guys' website right here. As I can see right now, you only have 7 referring domains, giving you 42 backlinks, which aren't really generating any keywords, and doesn't look like you're getting any traffic to your website. So to help you see another competitor and how they're doing, this is their numbers. Big difference right there. So they've got more than 700 referring domains, giving them more than 3,100 backlinks, which give them more than 26,000 keywords, and they're getting more than 26,000 organic traffic, meaning more than 26,000 people visiting their website per month. Now this is the kind of numbers where you want to be heading towards. Let me go back to yours right here. Now at this point, just some simple strategies and implementations can really boost these numbers, and it's very doable for your website, and that's what we specialize in. Now going back here, I also see some very immediate cosmetic changes that you guys can do, which will be just simple and make a big difference in the cosmetic look of the website, make it more interactive and engaging for the customers and people who come on here. So that's basically it. The things I wanted to say today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. And if you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. If you could also give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did, I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.